Investing without a plan will cost you a lot of time, a lot of money, and will cause you a lot of stress. If you invest in the stock market, if you pick your own stocks but you don't have a clear strategy, you are literally wasting your time. So I guess that if you watch this YouTube channel, is that you are a stock picker, you want to pick your own stocks, you want to pick the future winners of tomorrow, and if you don't have a plan, basically you will make much more mistakes. I know this because I've done this in the past. In my first year of investing, I think I made all the possible mistakes, invested in here and there, in futuristic companies, fads, short-term events, trading, stressed a lot about stock prices. You will make a lot of mistakes during your first year of investing. That's normal. The goal of this YouTube channel is to help as many people as possible, is to educate people and show you that if you have a clear process, a clear plan, a clear strategy, you will sleep better at night and you will have better performance in the stock market. So, okay, we can start. In case this is your first video from this channel, welcome. My name is Christophe Nour and the goal with this channel is to help you. I have been investing in the stock market for almost a decade now and have achieved a performance of 25% per year. If you don't have a framework, you will invest in stocks, but for the wrong reasons. Basically, if you don't have a clear strategy, you can maybe have a very shallow analysis of your stocks. You may make a lot more mistakes. You will lose track of what is really important in the stock market. Somebody who doesn't have a strategy will not clearly analyze the balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, what are the incentives for the management. And somebody who doesn't have a strategy will purely focus on macro, on what the Fed is saying, the interest rate, the inflation, the fads, AI, DeepSeek, China, India, what is Trump doing at the moment. This is not a strategy. You are just purely gambling on the economy and guessing where Nvidia will be in the following week. No. The goal of stock picking and that's the best kind of investing in my opinion, is that if you do the right due diligence, if you do the work at the good time, you can pick Nvidia before it was big. You can invest in Nvidia, you can analyze the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, the vision of the great CEO, and you can invest in great companies such as Nvidia, but also other companies, great companies, before they are famous. That's the difference between somebody that has a strategy and somebody that doesn't have a clue what they are doing, basically. Pure FOMO, pure macro thinking, trading, stress. We want to avoid this as possible, as much as possible. By the way, if you're looking for a complete framework to analyze stocks and build a strong portfolio, I have a coaching program. More on that at the end of the video. And I'm making this video because I've seen you, I have read you in the comment section below. Some of you are asking for videos on a weekly basis to just have an update regarding the stock price. What is it moving? Should I buy more? Should I sell more? First, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to tell you what to buy, what to sell. I don't know if that's legal in France, so I will not tell you what to buy, what to sell. And secondly, it depends on you, your investment style, your risk tolerance. And if you are wondering whether you should buy more or not because the stock is down 5%, you can get out of this channel. You don't have a plan, you are not a good fit for watching these videos. If you want to gamble, you can leave this YouTube channel, you can unsubscribe. This is not the goal of this channel, right? I want to attract viewers that want to focus on the right things. Invest in profitable companies that will grow and will compound more than 15% per year, 20% per year, 25% per year. We want to invest in future winners. If you panic over short-term movement, this is maybe not a YouTube channel for you, right? This is a boring YouTube channel. We invest in profitable companies that grow, but that are not sexy, not really speculative. But yeah, this is how you make money, basically. So that's it for the strategy side. I wanted to assess some point. Don't be gambling. I see a lot of, my generation, I'm 25. So my new generation from COVID, a lot of people started investing in stocks since 2020. And now since 2020, it's been 5 years. So some young guys have experience, a little bit of experience right now, and we only experienced stocks going up basically, apart from 2022, but people already forget. Now I see a lot of people in 2025 that have never experienced a bear market, even minus 20%. That is called a bear market. I see a lot of people investing in crypto, in Fartcoin, in a lot of funny words in the cryptocurrencies, and that are now coming to stocks because they want to invest in Palantir or Tesla. I mean, I have nothing against these investments. These are great businesses, but there is a hype around these stocks. And I mean, this is not my style, just valuation-wise, not my style. So yeah, maybe more people are getting greedy at the moment. Young guys are getting greedy at the moment. Good luck to them, but just be careful, guys. That's that's another message for you guys. And the third thing I wanted to address in this video is that without a clear process, you will just accumulate the mistakes and you will not have a clue what to do, in what order. And this is why I preach checklists a lot. Here is a checklist from Brian Feroldi. This is Warren Buffett investing checklist. Warren Buffett has never shared publicly his investment style, his investment checklist like this. So this is a sum of his key investments. For example, ask yourself the question, is the business understandable? If I don't understand what Palantir is doing, I'm out. You have to say no to an investment, to a stock, as quickly as possible. So, is the business understandable? Do you know how they make money? Do you know if they have a good history, a good track record or not? You can ask questions like this about understanding the investment thesis. And then about the management. Is the management good? Oriented for the long term? Is it rational? What were the past mistakes of the management? If you can't name the past mistakes of management, is that you don't know enough about the company, because all the managements are making mistakes. We are all humans after all. But yeah, if you don't know the mistakes of management, it means you don't really know what the company is, the management team, what they have done in the past. Okay. And third thing, is the financials of the company. Check if this is a profitable business, growing business. I mean, you have maybe 20 points of this checklist. In this checklist, you can ask 20 questions before considering investing in stocks. I see a lot of people on YouTube or on Twitter, and they don't do the due diligence properly. So my advice for you, my recommendation is be very careful. We are not in a cheap market in the US. This is not an easy market. You have a lot of risks, as always. You have a lot of volatility. You have a lot of high valuations. Expectations are high, especially for US tech companies. A lot of money is flowing passively into the indexes. Now Wall Street is buying every dip. Most of the time it has worked, but it has worked for beautiful companies. Sometimes you want to invest in the next generation of great companies, and it turns out that it's a complete scam. I have seen countless examples of these situations. So be very careful, have a clear process, know what you're doing, and as always, if you want more information, if you want some personalized help, you have the coaching program. As always, you have the first link in the description below. You can book a call with me and we can have a chat to improve your investment performance. If you like this content, I have an investing coaching program. In this program, you will learn a complete investing process. You will learn how to find good stock ideas, how to properly value stocks, when to buy, when to sell, so that you can build a strong portfolio. Additionally, you will have access to my personalized guidance for long-term results. We will do weekly calls where we analyze stocks together, and you will have access to my private number available 24/7 for full support. If you are blocked, if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Click the first link in the description to get more information. You will get a video that explains how everything works completely for free. No need to sign up, no need for your email address. Just click the first link in the description and I'll see you on the other side.